Hi, honeys. How's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be making some chili mix. I'm not saying chili powder, I mean chili mix with all the other seasoning in there. So all you need is the chili mix when you're making chili? Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I'll be making chili mix. I'll be putting it in this 8-ounce jelly jar. It's a canning jar with this kind of lid. Okay, and I already wrote chili on top. Okay, it's basically almost the same as taco mix, but you add more chili powder. So I'm going to start with 6 tablespoons of chili powder. I wasted it all over the place last time. Okay, let me see. And I measured better than I did last time. I knew I was going to do it, so I don't know what's in there. So I'm going to say this is 1.5 tablespoons. 2, 3. I got another container of chili powder. That's 4. I'm going to get out of there. Should have had a canning funnel. I'm going to use the funnel. It wasted all over the place anyway, so I don't really need it. I said that was 4 teaspoons. And this mix will probably fill up this jar. Let me get the other chili powder. That's paprika. Don't want that. Five. Okay, I'll call this 6. Six tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, next thing, let me pour this in here. I have a plastic cutting board thingy. It's flexible. Okay, that's good. Now, the next thing I'm using, let me get that out the way so I don't use it again, is 2 tablespoons of cumin. 2 tablespoons of cumin. Tablespoons. So I know that 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So I'm just going to dip this into here. No, I'm not. Okay, get that out of my mind. It don't fit. 2 tablespoons of cumin. 1, 2. Get that out of my way. Where's the paprika? 2 teaspoons of paprika. Teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Now this fits in here. One, 2. Okay. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Oh, that's strong. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes or the cayenne pepper. I like a lot of red pepper, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of each of red pepper flakes and 1 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. Now, if you don't like it spicy, then don't use it. So that's my red pepper, crushed red pepper flakes. And here's my, what you call it, cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of that. Because I love spicy stuff. How much black pepper? 4 teaspoons of black pepper. 1, 2, I'm gonna start sneezing. 3, 4. And I know it takes oregano. 1 teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to shake it up now before I add my salt. I was debating on whether to add salt with my taco mix I made, and I'm glad I added it because I didn't have to add any extra salt to my food after it was done. So I know I'll consume less salt by putting it in the mix. So now, all that I have to add now is my salt, or you can just leave the salt out. How much salt? 3 teaspoons of salt. So I'm going to use some kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoons of this, and 1.5 teaspoons of the pink Himalayan salt. So that adds 3 teaspoons. I mean, that equals 3 teaspoons. And you have to shake this stuff up each and every time you get ready to use it. Some of the heavier grains, they're going to sink to the bottom, and you want it to be mixed well. So this mix, it looks like 8 ounces. It's about 7.5 ounces. So for a big pot of chili, I'm going to use maybe 3 tablespoons of this mix. And there's none of that fake stuff up in here that's in the packets. Okay, y'all. This is how I make my chili mix. Pick the whole thing up. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Bye.